Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up interactive brokers for advanced traders, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up interactive brokers for advanced traders, begin by visiting the Interactive Brokers website. Click on the Open an Account button prominently displayed on the homepage. Select the type of account you wish to open. If you are an advanced trader, consider choosing a margin account or a professional trading account. Fill in the required personal information including your name, address, and social security number. Provide your financial information, such as net worth and annual income, to comply with regulatory requirements. Select your trading experience level. Advanced traders should include details such as the types of securities traded and the volume of trades executed in a typical year. Review and agree to the terms and conditions provided by interactive brokers. After submitting your application, wait for confirmation of account approval, which typically arrives via email. Once your account is approved, log in to the client portal using the credentials you created. Navigate to the funding section to deposit funds into your trading account. Select your preferred funding method, such as wire transfer, ACH transfer, or check deposit. Fund your account according to the minimum deposit requirements for the type of account you selected. Next, download the Trader Workstation software, which is designed for advanced trading. Install the application by following the on-screen instructions after downloading. Launch the Trader Workstation and log in using your account credentials. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the platform, focusing on the various trading tools provided. Customize your workspace by adding charts, watch lists, and trading tools relevant to your trading strategy. Set up alerts for price changes, volume spikes, or news events that may affect your trades. Explore the Research and Market Data section for in-depth analytics and market insights. Practice using the paper trading feature to hone your strategies without risking real capital. Once you feel comfortable, begin executing trades using real funds. Make sure to regularly review your trading performance and adjust your strategies accordingly. Keep your account settings up to date to ensure optimal security and functionality. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Stay informed of any changes or updates in the platform through Interactive Brokers notifications. Continue to educate yourself on market trends and advanced trading strategies to maximize your trading potential. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.